I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you how to load trimmer line onto your Bosch grass trimmer. If your grass trimmer isn't cutting as it should, it's most likely because it's ran out of grass trimmer line. So in this video I'm going to show you how to access the trimmer line and replace it. Before we begin, make sure that your grass trimmer is switched off and fully disconnected from the mains. First, you're going to want to remove the spool cover. To do this, you press in the two tabs on either side which connect it to the trimmer head at the same time. Then you can gently pull the cover upwards and lift it off the spool. Remove the spool and the line by gently pulling the spool off the spindle that it sits on. If there's any trimmer line left over, make sure that you gently feed it in from the outlet holes so that the spool and the line come away freely from the spindle and the trimmer head. When you access the trimmer line, if you find that it's nearly run out or it has run out completely, then you will need to replace the line. So we'll leave a link in the description down below of where you can get a replacement off our website. To replace the line, first we'll need to remove the excess line. And then we can start with the top deck and we can push a couple of centimetres of the new line in to hold it into place. Then we can do the same with the bottom deck. Then wind the line around the spool in the direction of the arrows. You'll need to do this neatly as the line won't feed if it becomes tangled. Then leave a few inches of line out and hook it onto the two cleats at either side of the spool. This will make sure that it doesn't unravel when you're replacing it. Then we can feed the extra line through the outlet holes. And slot the spool back into place inside. And it should click into place. Now that the spool is secure, you can unhook the line from the cleats, because otherwise it won't be able to feed through. Finally, we can replace the spool cover. You need to do this by lining up the two tabs and clicking it into place. Now your grass trimmer should be back up and running again. If after replacing the trimmer line you find that your grass trimmer still isn't cutting as it should, then take a look at our video down here which goes through all the checks to find out what the problem is and how to fix it. We hope this video has helped you get your grass trimmer back up and running again, but before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel for help and guidance on fixing and maintaining your home and garden appliances. Thanks for watching!